In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant critical error. A critical error has occurred and process must be terminated. So in case you are getting this message over here, which says system error and then some text, just like this one on the screen over here, with the only options being to press yes or no, this is how you can fix it very easily and quickly. So all you have to do is go down here, where you have your search box inside your computer, Windows computer, type in CMD, and then right-click on this command prompt and run it as administrator. Now, if it asks you to enter in your admin PIN, do so, but if you're already on the admin user of your computer, you won't be able and you won't have to do this. So once you do this, and make sure you have opened this up as administrator, you know this by saying it, as you can see up here, it says administrator command prompt. What you have to then do is type in a few commands. And the first one is going to be this one, and don't worry, none of these commands will do anything bad to your computer. They will just refresh basically your internet and some IP configs and different WinSocks on your computer. So the first thing you want to type in is this. So netsh space int space IP space reset. Then you want to press enter and continue. So once you press enter, you want to type in this, which is ipconfig and then spacebar / release. So that's the second one. And then once you've done this, press enter and then type in ipconfig / renew. So just / renew, and then press enter yet again. And then you want to type in ipconfig / flushdns. And then once you've done this too, you want to press enter yet again. And then the last kind of command we have to type in here is this following one over here, netsh space winsock space reset. And then you want to press enter, and that's it. After this, I would recommend you restart your computer, and then once you restarted it, try running up Valorant and see if this fixed your issue, and hopefully it did, because it should. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.